Disclaimer: content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Trading involves substantial risk. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Viewers are responsible for their own trading decisions. No guarantees of success or profitability. Okay, another trading opportunity this morning. NY Open looks like a correction and push down, but a hold off of 29,120. Looks like we're headed to the downside if we have a continuation of this move, a good supportive move. So potentially looking for shorts today. Yeah, this was a nice move, hold overnight. Hope everybody had a good trading day yesterday. I think I total from my first, this is my journey to pass my first prop firm eval, and it's been a couple days. It's been a couple days, lost a total of 100, but I have a 1,500 total drawdown, so I'm probably down to 1,400 of a drawdown. I've only been risking one contract per trade, but I haven't been letting my winners run. I realized my execution has been poor, and I've been taking too many trades and giving back to the market. So once I'm in profit after a few trades, if I have a couple of good trades, then I'm switching to sim and I'm looking for the next setup. I'm gonna extend my profit targets and let it run to my projected targets instead of taking a quick scalp. So either I see the opportunity, well, I think scalps could last minutes, tens of minutes, maybe even intraday if the move is continuous. I think that's what scalps are. It's just taking profit before it goes back on you. This could be the bearish correction already overnight. So if we get a hold above 29.1 or 29.2, then it looks like we could retrace some highs here with a potential break of highs. Could be steady buying grind day, buying higher lows potentially, but this is pretty high. It could be sentiment to correct even further to like as high as 29. So let's mark some rounded numbers. Could be targeting 29 and lower. We had a high here, 29, 480, 50. 29, 480, 50. And we're trading at 29 flat. A deeper retracement to 29 flat. So 200-point move to the downside, or a retracement of highs here, or a lower high. So I think I'm actually, maybe I scalped the 1 micros because this could be consolidating. It looks uncertain, choppy, and bearish after these huge rallies. So we got 22 minutes till open. Let's get some sort of backdrop on trading this morning. What's going on with the markets today? Actually, I'll be right back. I have to, hold on one second. Okay, let's set the stage for how trading could go this morning. Tuesday, stock futures are trending lower as a recent rally in technology and AI-linked stocks loses momentum. Investors are primarily focused on the release of April's consumer price index data and ongoing geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. Equities, S&P 500 and NASDAQ composite on Monday. Futures for both indices are down approximately 0.4 and 0.7 respectively. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is trading broadly flat. Commodities, oil prices are climbing. Global supply, inflation. Markets are bracing for headline CPI expected to show an increase. Hotter reading could shift expectations for Federal Reserve policy, which currently does not price in any interest rate easing for 2026. Okay, so we're looking for at inflation, a hotter reading. I need to, what is the effect of, how does interest rate easing affect the markets? I don't know, it seems like a very basic question. Let's ask that right now, actually. How does interest rates affect trading? This might be a broad answer here. Let's see. Shouldn't be taking this long. Let's see, MNQ. This isn't quite, let me restart real quick. I really want to know just quickly while it's still early, just a quick overview. How does interest rates, I should be doing my homework later on and figuring this out, but how does interest rates affect trading? Overall affect trading? It's just a broad question maybe. Or my research function is working. Okay. Primary driver, market activity influencing the cost of capital, investor demand for different asset classes, and overall market valuations. Impact on stocks, borrowing costs. When rates rise, it becomes more expensive for companies to borrow money for expansion, which can slow growth and reduce earnings. Potential climb towards as market shifts. It's not really a solid answer here for me to understand. Primary driver of market activity, influence on the cost of capital, their interest rates on capital. Dang, I gotta figure a lot out here. You can go to business school, figure out the whole financial side of the industry. I just want to know MNQ technicals. Okay, loading here. Not getting not loading. Here we go. As of May 12, 2026, the technical fundamental outlook for the micro E-mini NASDAQ futures remain strongly bullish with index trading near all-time highs. Technical analysis, MNQ reflects price action of NASDAQ, which is currently exhibiting significant upward momentum. Key price levels. Index is holding above 29,000 level and is trending towards the psychological milestone of 30,000. Short-term pivotal support is identified at 28,280 with resistance levels at 29,150 and 29,505. Indicator suggests a bullish but potentially overextended market. Bullish momentum with approaching overbought MACDs, crossover above the center line on hourly charts. Holding, reading near 98.91, suggesting the market is technically overbought in the short term. Price action remains within a medium-term ascending channel established in late March. Analysts suggest that while the action is overstretched, pullbacks are viewed as buying opportunities. Fundamental analysis. Primary drivers for MNQ are centered on technological growth and macroeconomic stability. AI and tech growth rallies to be fueled by high demand for our AI technologies. NVIDIA, Apple, Microsoft maintain buy or strong buy ratings as earnings remain resilient. Monetary policy. Supportive policy from the U.S. Federal Reserve has bolstered market confidence, with strategists forecasting the NASDAQ 100 could gain between 7% and 12% total for the year 2026. Market sentiment. Despite historical sell-in May adages, the current bull market is described as mature but not yet exhausted. Risks include potential slowdowns in capital expenditure or geopolitical tensions, though these are currently considered distant threats. Interesting. So, fundamental buy day. How much money is flowing into MNQ? Are they buying? It's taking a long time. I'm probably maxing out my computer here. I got so much stuff running. How much money is flowing into MNQ? Or are they selling up here? Just a little bit of insight. Consumer price index report that showed an annual inflation climbing to 3.8% in April. The stronger than expected reading, fueled largely by rising energy costs, has led investors to adjust their expectations for Federal Reserve policy, with many now anticipating that interest rates will remain unchanged for the foreseeable future. So what does that mean about stocks, and why is it still loading? It's taking too long here. Got about 12 minutes to open. Start figuring out what kind of trades we could take today with where we're at. Money flows typically assessed through trading volume and open interest. As of May, the MNQ remains one of the most liquid micro-sized equity index futures, driven by retail institutional participants in the NASDAQ. Trading volume and liquidity, lower cost alternative, recent trends, volume, and typically spikes during periods of high volatility. Trades near 29,000 to 30,000 range in early May. Volume remains robust as traders use MNQ for precise position sizing. Market depth. A single MNQ contract has a notional value of approximately 58,640. What is the notional value? Committed capital. A single MNQ, 58,640. Capital efficiency, because these are leveraged products, the actual money flowing in is the margin deposit maintenance margins for micro contracts are significantly lower. Retail dominance. MNQ is a preferred tool for retail traders to participate in NASDAQ movements without the high capital requirements of standard futures. Small to medium-sized portfolios often use MNQ to hedge tech exposure in ETFs. Okay. What was that? Oh, notional value. 10 minutes to open. Notional value. What is notional value? Okay. Let's figure out what these charts might do. So we got a new start around 29.2 essentially. Could be shorting this to the downside. I got a feeling they're gonna short this. Feeling more bearish neutral for the morning. Getting over some sort of rally if they do choose to correct this price. I think we can get as low as 29 flat. There is a supportive short seller in the market overnight from yesterday. I have to see this some sort of supply and demand dynamics here around 29.2. They buy more than what they're selling, price could go up. There's a high demand today. It's Tuesday, potential buying day at this low. But this also does look like a shorting day and you don't want to get in front of this. So it looks like a continuation to the downside off 29,200. So good entries would be now with the stop above this high here, 29.40. We're targeting 29.120 for a fresh initial trade. This stays to get support above 120. Want to see a break of 120 for a continuation to the downside. Could get it low for a really bearish. It's 28,850. So break at 900, targeting 850. Could be some bearish this morning though. So we can create some sort of maybe even from this, and that's a break the trend. That was a steep trend. Take it from that high. Some water. Okay, what else can we do here? Let's take a quick break before we see NY open. We got 4 minutes to open, and let's get to this main screen. We got a downtrend here. As far as we're going. We could fill in this gap to 60. We could, there's a relief at 160. Created a FEG there. Here, trading below VWAP, I think. Well below VWAP. It's been trending below. Good entries from. Potentially we just need to see a hold where these holds are gonna be placed at. 200, 10, 20, 30. Populate in 10 area maybe. We've seen a break below 2. Potentially want to target this low. Looks bearish and on the 5. Got 2 minutes to open. Let's have a good trading day. What setups are we looking for? If we get a demand off of 200, we're targeting up. If we get downwards pressure off of 200, we're shorting. We're already at a rounded numbers. Could be an accumulation for some time. It's been accumulating for the past since 5:40, about 40 minutes. 30, 40 minutes. You know, upwards pressure 215. 1 minute till open. A lighter volume here maybe. Getting in on this early, showing there's a buyer potentially. Buyer at these lows off NY open. Push down. Could be consolidation. So what is our invalidation here? We're holding these pre-market highs around 235. And down here 185. Created an FEG at 200. Want to see this break 237. React around this area. 237, 230. Want to keep this below 230. For shorting this morning for a continuation of this overnight move. Or demand could step in here off open. We got open. Downwards pressure. Break below. Want to see a retest. We potentially want to enter in here. Hold for these lows. It's going to be sell off and accumulation here early. Thinking about adding is too late. Soft landing till like 120. We get a demand at 60. Could target 120. Seen a break of 160 to 150. I don't think there's a demand here. Bit bearish for the day. Looking for a demand at 160. See a break below 50, 150. Holding around 150. More shorts here. Shorts being liquidated. Buying them up here on. Buying them up. Bit of uncertainty below 200. Okay, so they made their exchange. Now we're trading at 170. Populating 170 area for the next 120, essentially. Liquidated these longs, we're short. Flat. More shorts here. Absorbing here. Liquidity off open, selling into strength to the downside. Short selling day. Potentially, if we don't get any strange buyers here, want to sweep us up and collect and push this to the upside. This looks more bearish off morning. Continuation to the downside, maybe a retest of 200. Feeling unsure here about where to go. I think there's already downwards pressure. It's just finding a good entry around 170 to 120. Maybe entering a 180 to the downside. I want to say keep this below 180, 190, 200. This might relieve all the way to 220. A nice green candle push up to 190. This could be retracing that, finding better entries at 2. 190, slowing this longs down. We're betting on this upside. Last accumulation pushed. Might be accumulating for some time between 150 and 180. Good entries below 190 to the downside. Strong hold at 180. 180 targeting 120.
Order filled.
Getting swept to the upside.
Stop filled.
Oh, I'm down 50. Got one more play in the bank here. Let's see, break to the upside. Want to bring this below 2. Want to keep this below 2. FEG 185. There's a lot of orders being taken here. And this is gonna break to the downside off 200. Better entries at 2. Or we're supporting this here to the upside of 160. Higher lows, definitive push below 2. I don't know why that's so confusing. Or they're all short here. Break of 50.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay, that was pretty fast. Down for the day. stop and chop pretty seriously. Made a couple of stupid plays here for a continuation to the downside. Couldn't find a good entry. 175 to the downside. Getting induced here. Okay, it looks like we get downwards pressure off 170.
Order filled.
You want to see a break to the downside. Let's see him keep this below 180.
Stop filled.
This is crazy right now. I'm getting stopped and chopped here. Oh, that's so embarrassing. How do you reset? I know I'm initially taking stupid trades off chop here to the downside. I'm not finding good entries. And keep this short here or below 2.
Order filled.
Didn't get no confirmation here. Seeing a break above. I want to see a hold below 2. It slips to the upside. There's no orders here at 2. Keep price choppy to the downside.
Stop filled.
Goodness, what am I doing this morning? I'm trying to short this. Well, I gotta, before I'm on tilt. Ooh, damn, maybe I'm just done for the day. I don't know how to trade prop firms. I don't scalp. Should have went long from here. This is accumulation to the upside. I don't want to blow my account already. It's down 3. I want to survive. This could be a break to the upside here. 37. And we got a lot of upside targets. Changing character to this downside. We're all long here.
Order submit. Order filled.
There's no resistance to the upside if we do get this push. I want to see this stay break above 250. Might be keeping this low here. Want to see this just break to the upside. No need to consolidate down here. Seeing the break highs. Nice push. I'll see a break at 250. $251. See break at 60. It's just upwards pressure now. You can see when selling happens, just a whole lot of upside to 5. A lot of selling going on. Be patient here. I want to see break us 80. I want to see relief of 80. Be patient for another move here. So break 85, 90. $300. $280 here. $280. Holding at 80, selling at 80, accumulating at 80, potentially. Be patient for this next move to the upside. More downwards pressure. Whoa, sweat. Let's keep this above 240, y'all. More long here. Picking up 265, recovering that crazy spike to the downside. Holding up here to above 260. Oh, downwards pressure again. Just a deep accumulation here. Building 250.
Stop filled.
Damn, what a
Order filled. Stop filled.
Sometimes you gotta exit a lot sooner. Take the profit and then re-enter. Off of 200 to the upside.
Order filled.
Just trying to survive here. Seeing a hold above 220. Keeping this above 200. Downwards pressure. You can get stopped out. This looks like a continuation to the downside. Or a nice hold at 200.
Stop filled.
This was one to the downside.
Order filled.
I'm on tilt and I'm actually trading my account right now. I don't want to blow it. I think I lost too much for one day. It's a nice hold to the downside. See break at 190.
Stop filled.
Dang, I think I'm done for the day. That was a quick tilt and hell, it went too hard this morning. Oh my gosh. Should have stopped trading. It was choppy all morning. Less than 100-point moves. Either the direction strange hold off of 200 though.
Order filled.
What are the chances it goes up there? It's trading around VWAP.
Stop filled.
I'm off of the charts this morning. Let me call it quits. Okay, I'm not even gonna look at what trades I took. I have to. Chop chop. Chop chop city. Chop chop city. Okay, what was I thinking down here? Okay, we saw a move. Hold, move to the downside off of 200. Nice hold off of 150. So went short here, got stopped. 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 There's no way I went along here. Exited, break even. This would have been correct if I took profit up there. Dang, it's a lot of losing trades here. This downside move was wrong. It's a nice hold. I think we can go along from 160. We get this continuation to the downside. Getting into the groove of this market here. Potential lift at 140. Got as high as 300 and was wicking short sell this morning. So I'll break below. Break to the downside here.
Order filled.
Seen a break below.
Stop filled. Order submit. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
There's no strategy behind this right now. I don't know. Just trying to go with the flow. There was a relief here, and I saw an impulse move to the upside. Could have been a retracement, but quickly we're kind of choppy right now to the downside. Would have been a big move, taking profit down here. More of a continuation to the 29 flat.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Yep. I did it. I surely did it. I just blow my account today. Pretty much a third of that joint is gone with the stars now. What in the world just happened? Blew my eval almost. Crucial, and it's all to the downside, and it's all improper stop placement. Let me be more selective with my stops. I was just giving 50 away every time, sabotaging myself and let it happen. Crucial. Hold off of 100. It's like I got quiet and took the most trades. And it's like I'm secretly sabotaging myself in these moments, but I know I'm gonna do well. I just got a lot of catching up to do. It's almost like I took 2-3 bad days of trading in like one. So I got 10 more days of trading to go. I'm gonna take my time. Looks like it's gonna retrace back up to 200 though. I think I'm done trading now. That was a horrible morning. See what I learned from this. It's gonna be hurt, in pain. Okay. Jeez Louise. Prop firm eval passing. Let's see any strategies I need to learn here. I just need to learn how to be profitable scalping first and foremost, and then transfer that to my eval and funded account. Just need more reps and practice here. Reading price action, going with the flow of the market. So initially it was probably hard to read because this overall trend to the downside. We had a serious hold off of 300, so that was where they drew the line in the sand. Pushed down from 3 to 1. Got a 200-point move to the downside from 3. A bit of a retracement. Good one here. That would have been a good move to be a part of for a higher lower high. It's just off all morning on the reading. It's tough to read. I guess being targeted. My stops were being targeted on the way down or something, or I don't know. I didn't have quite a strategy entering. It was just going with the momentum of a potential move, and I didn't take profit a couple times. Could have 100, probably would have been less. Let's see what my performance is. Oof. Long and short, I didn't have any winning trades this morning. Dang. The worst. worst trading morning I've had. Have any winning trades? Could have one. That would have been about 100. Been down 4, traded less. Been down 1. Yeah. Okay. I guess I'm gonna call it a morning. Not a good trading morning, but yeah, it's okay. There's a lot more. Just gotta survive, live long, and prosper. Okay. Hope everybody had a good trading day, and if you didn't, keep going, keep grinding, keep learning. We get better every day. Be hella profitable one day soon. Just gotta stay consistent. Discipline, number one. I'm learning discipline now. That's what this might be. It's just trading less, extending my profit targets, knowing when to take profit, and trying to be in the zone of the trades, taking profit while scalping this morning. So yeah, not too proud of myself this morning, but whatever. We'll keep going. Hope everybody has a good day, and okay, bye.